Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. So today's video is just going to be strictly cleaning my refrigerator from the inside out. It is an absolute disaster. It's probably the nastiest fridge I've seen yet on YouTube, literally. But it is way overdue in needing to be cleaned. I will also be organizing and decluttering. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me give you guys a quick peek at how dirty this fridge is. Okay guys, so here it is. I'm going to be taking everything out of here and then getting rid of, bottles that are like half empty, like this, and I'm just gonna take everything out, and then I'm gonna clean it thoroughly, and then I'm gonna chop up a bunch of fruit that I bought here yesterday at the store and get that all organized and looking real good. And you guys will see just how filthy it is once I have everything out. So let's get started.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. Still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no.
Guys, this is the reality. How disgusting my fridge is.
We always get back up again.
That is disgusting. And I can't believe how long or how quickly this happens, because it hasn't been that long since I've cleaned it. I mean, it's been a while, but it literally looks like it's never been cleaned. It is so dirty. All right, guys, let's get this sucker cleaned up. So I'll be cleaning the shelves first and then making my way to the drawers. I'm not gonna worry about the freezer because it really doesn't get dirty. The only thing we really need to do once in a while is de-ice the freezer because sometimes the ice will build up along the edges, but we actually did that here recently. So how do you guys feel about cleaning your fridge? Is it like something you absolutely dread, or is it something you sort of enjoy? I actually kind of enjoyed it this time because it's not nearly as dirty as it was the last time I cleaned it. If you just stay on top of it, it just makes it so much easier and quicker to clean it.
Summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. We just had one of those things. Ooh. I guess I've had some things to figure out, but now that I'm done, I'm full of doubt. Was it easy for you? Yeah, was it too easy for you? You used to say that you would always be mine, but you seem to be doing just fine. Now I think about you, I just can't seem to stop thinking about you. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses.
Isn't this disgusting, you guys? You really can't see all the nastiness until after you take everything out of the fridge. So now that I've finished cleaning the shelves, I'm going to vacuum the drawers out and then wipe them out. Then I'll clean the shelves on the doors.
Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. Ooh, we just had one of those things. Yeah, we had one of those things. We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then, so much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. We just had one of those things. I guess I've had some things to figure out, but now that I'm done, I'm full of doubt. Was it easy for you? Yeah, was it too easy for you? You used to say that you would always be mine, but you seem to be doing just fine. Now I think about you, I I just can't seem to stop thinking about you. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall.
So now that I've finished cleaning the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping everything down before I put it back in there so that I don't bring more nastiness back in again. Honestly, you guys, the trouble of having to go through to cleaning your fridge is so worth having to take everything out and just all the washing and scrubbing. It's so worth it in the end because, I mean, you feel like you have a brand new fridge again. And I think that best of all, the compliments and praises that you get from your family after cleaning something that was extremely dirty. It's just nice that they noticed and that they appreciate it, and it just makes it all the more enjoyable and just satisfying after it's completely done.
We just had one of those things. Yeah, we had one of those things.
So now I'm going to start chopping up some fruits and veggies. It's always so nice to have for fast, quick meals, especially because I actually have to make 2 meals per night, one for Gabriel and I, and then the other for the rest of the family because Gabriel and I are gluten-free, and this will be really handy to have some pre-sliced veggies. Gabriel and I eat a lot of stir fry and salads, and so whatever I can do to make it as quick and easy for me as possible, because by the time I go to start cooking dinner, I'm starving, and usually I will cook their food first and then I will eat last. So I happen to enjoy chopping up vegetables, and what's funny is Keith does too. So a lot of times, usually on the weekends, we will be in the kitchen bumping heads as to who is going to be chopping up what. And honestly, the only vegetable I do not care to chop up are onions for obvious reasons. So I always freely give Keith that job. So let me know down in the comments, you guys, if you ever run into this problem with your own partner. Let me know also if you like to chop or if they like to chop. Who does the chopping? And since we're on the subject, I absolutely love the show Chopped. What about you guys? I have actually learned so many cooking techniques just from watching the Food Network. I absolutely love Rachel Ray and Giada. Who do you guys like? Do you guys watch the Food Network? And who is your favorite chef? And how can I forget to mention the Pioneer Woman? I have learned so much just from these 3 ladies from watching the Food Network. It's like having free culinary education right in your own home.
Just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way. Show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way. Show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way. Show me a way where we still build our memories. Show me the way.
So I bought a nice variety of some fruit at the store and thought I would just make everything pre-sliced and just quick and easy for the kids to just grab. It seems like since this quarantine started, these guys have been hungry nonstop. I feel like I am literally living to keep these kids fed, but I really think it's just boredom more than anything. But if they're gonna snack, I would really prefer them to snack on something healthy and, you know, just have fruit in between meals.
Move on from all those yesterdays. Happiness gets nearer.
So do you guys have like a favorite fruit? I would have to say that after having this pineapple, that pineapple is definitely my favorite fruit. This pineapple turned out so juicy. It was just so flavorful. I just absolutely love pineapple. So I went ahead and bought some glass Tupperware containers from Walmart the other day. And I do plan on going and buying some more because I just am so done with plastic containers. I don't like how they get stained, and I don't like the smell of plastic. I usually use like glass cups and stuff to drink from. I just prefer glass. And so since I ran out of the glass Tupperware containers, I just went ahead and used my gallon-sized Ziploc bags, which I absolutely love. I always have these things on hand. They are just so convenient for like you know, slicing up fruit and veggies, or for like leftovers. We use them all the time.
To somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore.
The refrigerator really needed to be decluttered. There were so many like bags and jars that were opened and just sitting, so I really needed to get everything sealed up so it would remain fresh. So I went ahead and bought some of these baskets from Walmart as well, and I figured I would use them for my eggs, and they all ended up actually fitting into one basket, which is so nice. But this is going to be so convenient, just being able to just reach in there and grab some eggs, because we eat a lot of eggs here, and it just gets annoying having to take the egg cartons out and open them up every time we need an egg. And now all we got to do is just grab and go.
Show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way. Show me a way where we still build our memories.
So now I am just going to polish this fridge up with these Weiman stainless steel wipies, and I highly recommend this brand, you guys. They really make my stainless steel shine. I ordered them from Amazon, and I will link them down below. I really like how you apply it like a wax, and then you sort of buff it out with either like a cloth, or I use a paper towel. And after you like buff it out, it is so shiny.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. light that we see closing in so fast ahead. It's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill.
Hey you guys, so the fridge is done. It's clean, it's decluttered, it's organized. I am feeling really good right now. I am one happy mama and I will sleep good tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you're new, to hit that red subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up. If you liked this video, tap that bell so you're notified each time my videos are uploaded. And don't forget to head on over to Instagram and follow me under Supermom of 7. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.